Bay windows are a classic and stunning feature that can dramatically enhance the appeal and functionality of your home. Whether you're renovating your current space or building a new one, installing bay windows in your Orangeburg home can provide more natural light, improved ventilation, and a captivating view. However, with various bay window styles to choose from, selecting the right one for your home's architecture and design preferences is crucial. In this article, we'll explore the different bay window styles and provide tips on how to choose the best one for your Orangeburg home, ensuring both aesthetic beauty and practicality. Understanding bay windows. Before diving into specific styles, it's essential to understand what makes bay windows so unique. A bay window consists of 3 or more connected panels that project outward from the exterior wall, creating a small alcove inside. This feature not only adds architectural depth to your home but also expands the view and allows more natural light to fill the room. There are a few variations of bay windows, each with its own style and benefits. Let's explore these different styles to help you make an informed decision for your home. Canted bay windows. One of the most traditional bay window styles is the canted bay window. This style consists of 3 panels, a large central window with 2 angled side windows. The side windows are typically set at a 30-45 degree angle to the central window, giving the room a wider and more open feel. Best for traditional homes. The canted bay window is perfect for traditional style homes, especially those with Victorian, colonial, or craftsman influences. The symmetrical and classic design blends well with older architectural styles and adds a timeless appeal to your home's exterior. Enhanced views and light. This style offers expansive views of the outdoors, making it ideal for areas like living rooms, dining rooms, or master bedrooms. The angled sides also allow more light to enter the room, brightening up even the darkest corners. Box bay windows. If you're looking for a more contemporary or clean-lined look, box bay windows are a great choice. Unlike canted bay windows with angled sides, box bay windows have straight, parallel sides and are typically made up of 3 or more panes of glass. The result is a rectangular, box-like projection from the wall. Best for modern homes. Box bay windows fit beautifully in more modern or minimalist homes. They add a sleek, geometric look that enhances the clean lines of contemporary architecture while providing the same benefits of a traditional bay window. Maximize space. Box bay windows are ideal for creating additional space, especially in smaller rooms. The outward projection allows you to use the space below for a cozy reading nook, extra seating, or even a small table, making the room feel more expansive. Bow windows. While not technically a type of bay window, bow windows are often compared to them due to their similar outward projection. A bow window consists of 4 or more panels arranged in a smooth curve, giving it a softer, more rounded appearance compared to the angular lines of a bay window. Best for curved or organic designs. Bow windows are a perfect fit for homes with more organic or flowing designs, such as those inspired by Art Nouveau, Mediterranean, or eclectic styles. The soft curve adds elegance and a sense of fluidity to the architecture. Increased light and airflow. The curved shape of bow windows allows for more light and improved airflow, making them ideal for rooms that could benefit from natural light and ventilation, such as kitchens, living rooms, or even bathrooms. Oriel Bay Windows. An Oriel bay window is a variant of the traditional bay window style but is typically smaller and often found on the upper floors of homes. These windows are often supported by brackets and project outward in a more subtle way, creating a unique architectural element for upper-level rooms. Best for upstairs rooms. Oriel windows are an excellent choice for adding character and charm to second-story rooms, such as bedrooms or offices. Their smaller size and delicate appearance allow them to blend well with the overall design while providing a charming focal point. Elegant look. Oriel bay windows are particularly popular in historical homes or those with Victorian or Edwardian influences. They add a touch of old-world charm while still providing all the benefits of additional natural light and expanded views. Choosing the right style for your home. Now that you're familiar with the different types of bay windows, the next step is choosing the style that best suits your Orangeburg home. Consider the following factors. Architectural style. The style of your home should be a key consideration when choosing your bay window design. Traditional homes with classic detailing may benefit from a canted bay window, while more modern homes may look best with a box bay window or bow window. Room function. Think about how the window will be used. If you want to create a cozy nook for reading or relaxing, box bay windows or bow windows are great choices. If you're looking for a more expansive view, canted bay windows or Oriel bay windows may be the way to go. Energy efficiency. When replacing or adding new windows to your home, consider energy-efficient options. Many modern bay windows come with double-pane or triple-pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames to help improve your home's energy efficiency and reduce your utility bills. Budget and installation. Finally, keep in mind that the cost and complexity of installation can vary between bay window styles. Box bay windows are often easier to install and may be more affordable, while bow windows and Oriel bay windows may require additional structural support and higher installation costs. Conclusion. Bay windows are a stunning addition to any Orangeburg home, offering expanded views, more natural light, and a touch of architectural elegance. By understanding the different bay window styles, from the traditional canted bay windows to the modern box bay windows and curved bow windows, you can choose the perfect fit for your home. Consider the architectural style, the function of the room, and the aesthetic appeal to make the best decision for your property. With the right choice, you'll enjoy improved curb appeal, increased energy efficiency, and a beautiful space to call home.